whole chicken in one pot in rice. We are cooking this whole chicken right here. For the rice, Super Basmati Sella Rice. 2 cups of water. So our rice are soaking in the water, and we have to cut the chicken from the middle so it fits at least here. This chicken is with the skin. We have very easy ingredients. This is a Pakistani touch recipe. Black cardamom, we have cinnamon, we have cumin, we have black pepper. This is chicken bouillon, garlic paste, and some red whole chilies. Stove at 350 degrees, 1 whole cup of oil. I'm using corn oil for this recipe. It goes in here. This is baking cup, 1 whole cup. Once you add the oil, we will grab our diced medium size yellow onion. It goes in here, and right next to it, this is 1 tomato diced. They all go in here together. Just give it a mix. They get sauteed. Rawness of the vegetables should leave. Now let's prepare for our chicken. We're gonna be cutting this whole chicken from the middle. We don't need wingtips in there as well. Let's remove the wingtip. We don't need the tail. We will be starting the chicken from the back. Our chicken is into half. I left the whole neck on one side. If you don't like the chicken neck, don't cook it. It's fine. It's completely okay. This is a POV look. Since our vegetables are getting sauteed, we will take 1 stick of cinnamon. You can use cinnamon powder in there as well. So ½ tablespoon. This is black cardamom. You have to use it. This is cloves, 7, 8 cumin, whole seed. I'm adding 1 whole tablespoon of cumin. The black pepper goes in there. 1 whole tablespoon. We will take garlic paste. This is homemade, that's why it's not so thick. At least 6 tablespoons of garlic paste. We will take salt for now. 1 whole big spoon of salt. It's already aromatic. This is Maggi chicken flavored bouillon. It goes in here, and it goes in here. So at least for 10 minutes, it's at high flame. You're sauteing it. To make the process faster, let's cover it for 5 minutes. All right, so it's been altogether 10 minutes. Pulao with the onion, tomatoes, cinnamon, black cardamom, cumin, black pepper, garlic paste, and chicken bouillon. I had to wear the watch so I can tell you with the timings. Sun-dried red chilies, 2 cups of water. Now we will take our chicken, half chicken. Land it like this. Another half. Let's remove the neck. I mean, both sides should match. And here goes the second one. Whole chicken is in pot. This is a big recipe for 1 small pan and a pot combo. We will boil this chicken in the same broth at least for 30 minutes. It's 7:58, so by 8:30 we'll check this guy. Let it cook openly for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we'll put the lid on top. In 10 minutes, our chicken is popping out of the pan. We will grab it and we will flip the side. Put your stove onto medium, at least 250 degrees. Now flip these guys. So this was just 10 minutes. Once the chicken is tender, then we will add the rice. Wait till the end. I'll show you how to do everything right here. Once you flip it, cover it with the lid. It's on the medium flame at 250 degrees. Cook it like this. At 8:30, we will take a look what's going on. It's been 30 minutes. Our chicken don't even fit in this pot, and we are cooking rice with it too. Take around to find out. So it's been 30 minutes. Let's do a temperature check. I'm a professional. Let's do a temperature. Poke this needle in the breast and see the temperature. If it's above 165, our chicken is ready. No. Flip this. Cover it again. 20 more minutes. 8:50. We will take a look. It's been 50 minutes. We have been cooking this chicken in our delicious homemade broth for the chicken pulao. I have to make sure my chicken is tender, or just by the time frame, 50 minutes is enough. This is the leg. I have went all the way deep in. It's over 165. This is the breast. I have went all the way deep in, and yes, thankfully it's above 165. So it will take 50 minutes for you to cook this chicken onto medium flame, and it's gonna be ready. Half chicken completely ready. Let's put it Right now, for now, on the side, another half. Here you go. Our chicken is ready. Now it's the time we will make our rice. So make sure your broth is okay. We added 2 cups of water in here, and our rice had 2 cups of water. So here are our soaked rice. They go all in here. Look at the colors in here. The taste test of the broth. Yeah, I need a little bit more salt. This is half tablespoon more. Salt is to the taste. Stove is still on to medium. Cover this. Check back it after at least 25 minutes. The chicken, and we will just cover it. It stays hot in here. 9:15 we will check on our rice. It's on to medium. In the separate pan, add 4 tablespoons of corn oil. Fry half of the onion, so slice them just like that and just make it dark brown. It goes as a topping. Another topping is chop some fresh cilantro, slice some green chilies. You have to make it dark brown. These are all the toppings which will go on top of the pulao. All right, let's give it a mix to the rice. Oh my god, look at this, pulao rice. Yum. Okay, we still have 20 more minutes. These are our dark brown onions. These are all the toppings for the pulao. Just slicing some lemons with that too. Just 15 minutes left. We'll put the stove on to simmer. Give it a gentle mix to the rice. Cover it with the lid. It's on the simmer. Let these rice simmer for 15 minutes. We are all ready. Once the rice is ready, I'll see you then. Almost 1.5 hours. Our chicken has been sitting in the foil. It's completely hot. So these are our pulao rice. Completely done.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
Delicious chicken pulao recipe is completely ready. Make this recipe in 1.5 hours. Deliciously done.
I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Taste test, okay? So here's the rice. Look at this. Wow, just a touch, and here you go. And let me grab the whole piece. Still steaming out.
That's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.